In the fall of 2011, Sofi was founded at Stanford University by Mike Cagney, Dan Macklin, James Finnegan, and Ian Brady. They met at the Stanford Graduate School of Business. They hoped Sofi could provide more affordable options for those taking on debt to fund their education. The company's inaugural loan program was a pilot at Stanford. In this pilot program, 40 alumni loaned about $2 million to approximately 100 students, for an average of $20,000 per student. Originally, Sofi utilized an alumni-funded lending model that connected students and recent graduates with alumni and institutional investors via school-specific student loan funds. Investors received a financial return, and borrowers received rates lower than the federal government offered. Sofi sought to minimize defaults by focusing on low-risk students and graduates, using data science to determine risk and offer borrowers a lower rate. As of 2024, it operates as a personal finance company, as well as a fintech company, and comprises three main divisions: lending, technology platform, and financial services. The lending division, Sofi's largest source of revenue as of 2023, amounting to $1.37 billion, generates income from net interest, securitization sales, and whole loan sales. Personal loans, student loans, home loans, and loan refinancing are all part of Sofi's lending services. Sofi continue to maintain a policy of no fees for their loans, aside from the interest. Here are some clips on Sofi's lending division.
7 more weeks. Wow. Good news is we bought a house in time.
But we're a little low on cash after the down payment.
And the baby room needs new carpet.
And a door. Oh, and a window.
And we still gotta patch that mystery hole.
And then make it super adorable.
Ridiculously adorable. This is why we Sofi.
With Sofi's no-fee personal loan, borrow up to $100K for home projects.
To a world of numbers. First, we learn how to count, how to measure, and how to tell time. We learn that some numbers can be big, confusing, stressful. And sometimes we discover one that's just devastating. And yet, numbers bring joy. They give hope. They break cycles. They hold promise. So when we find the right ways to turn our numbers into words, music, and progress, then we can make change for everyone.
Now, let's move to the second division, is the financial services that includes investment, banking, and insurance. They have Relay, money management, and Protect services. They have an investing platform for buying and selling stocks, exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and cryptocurrency. The company hopes to expand its breadth here by obtaining a bank charter.
At Sofi, we believe that information is a powerful tool in helping people get their money right. That's why credit score monitoring is one of the benefits we offer to every Sofi member. If you've signed up for Sofi Relay, you'll see your Vantage Score 3.0 by TransUnion right at the top of the app. Tap on that, and you'll learn all about what goes into calculating your score, including recent changes, how much credit you're using, and a breakdown of other credit factors. And because understanding your score takes more than just knowing the numbers, we've also built a credit score simulator into the Sofi app. You'll find it under Credit Utilization. From here, tap the link that says Simulate a Different Balance. This will show you what happens to your score when you utilize different amounts of your overall credit. The simulator is also powered by TransUnion, so it should be pretty close to the actual numbers, but it is an estimation. Your score may change based on other factors. New to investing in stocks? Sofi can help.
Stocks may be a great way to have your money make more money. So what are stocks exactly? To put it simply, you are buying a share of a company. And more importantly, you now own a stake in that company's ups and downs in the market. Stock investments come in 3 flavors. Individual stocks, where you buy one or more shares of a company. Fractional shares, where you can own a piece of a stock for as little as $1. Also, index funds and ETFs, which can be a collection of stocks. These help you diversify your investment in a single trade. And while stock prices change daily, they can be a great source of building wealth. With an online brokerage like Sofi Invest, you can start investing in stocks quickly and easily. The first step is choosing your investment method. If you'd like to pick specific investments on your own, then you want to choose active investing. Or if you don't want to put the time into researching every stock or fund, automated investing is a quick and easy way to get your money into the market. With both approaches, Sofi gives you complimentary access to certified financial planners to help build a plan that's right for you. Either way, the sooner you can start responsibly investing, the better. Because as our financial planners like to say, time in the market beats timing the market. To get started on your path to financial success,
Its third division, the technology platform generates income via Galileo's customer services, including platform access and card management services, offered in form of APIs.
I'm Kelly Keogh. I am responsible for what we call SIPs at Sofi. That is our spend, invest, protect, and save offerings for our Sofi members. Sofi's mission is to help our members get their money right so that they can spend better, borrow better, and they can save better, and do that in ways that are all really complementary. Sofi is focused on a member base that is actually quite large now and diverse. We have checking and savings that allow us to really provide services to anybody who wants to come through our doors. Historically, though, we have really focused on the younger demographic that is really starting to earn money, to want to be able to spend money well and borrow money, and has already built up some credit. We really now serve each and every person and try to do all of their financial needs in one place. Services that Galileo provides innovate faster, bring a broader range of capabilities to our members, a core foundation that we can really build on for the future as we scale our bank. So some of the capabilities include our pay in 4 offering, or a buy now, pay later. We were able to stand that up in a matter of months. Sofi was introducing its banking capabilities. Galileo gave them a quicker to market and more innovative approach to bringing debit cards to work on the processing. You should expect to see Sofi and Galileo continuing to collaborate and for them to continue to do more and more servicing for us. We want to move really quickly to provide a range of services, whether that's in lending, in cards and payment processing for individuals or small businesses. And there's an opportunity for us to grow together and potentially help each other go faster into each of these spaces. When Sofi innovates, then for us to be able to contribute the Sofi innovations into the Galileo ecosystem, then more partners of Galileo can actually take advantage of it. Sofi benefits by all of the innovations that Galileo's creating, and then the innovations that we do at Sofi contribute back to what Galileo can then provide to their partners. With the Galileo team, David Foyer, the technology and the product teams, they have not only helped us understand what Galileo and Technisys can do, but they've been thought partners to help us improve Sofi overall. They have opinions, they express them, and that's, I think, the value that you get by having that partnership. What a powerful weapon Galileo and Technisys are. Being able to reach small fintechs, large fintechs, small banks, large banks, retailers, and it gives us a reach that we never could have possibly imagined. This depth of knowledge, understanding of who's doing what, connections that we get is incredible. They're challenging the norms, they're pushing beyond the legacy ways of doing things to think about what's modern infrastructure, how do we build for scale in a way that's not going to be outdated quickly. As Sofi's objective is to be a top-tier institution, and that's a big part of what Galileo can bring to us, is the ability to move faster with more innovative solutions.
Sofi SoFi is a provider of digital banking software to multiple banks and fintech brands in the US and Latin America. The company also provides API access to its technology platform, supporting banks in processing credit card payments and helping businesses launch financial services. Let's look at SoFi revenue breakdown. Its revenue has increased 2 times within 3 years, from less than $1 billion in 2021 to $2 billion in 2023. We can see that the lending division remained their major revenue contributor at more than 50% total revenue. In 2024, there is a growth in its financial services division, starting at 23% to now at 38% of its overall revenue.
Do this for the lights or the fame. I did it to pay it forward to the next generation of athletes and pass on the support my family gave me. I believe in SoFi because they give the same support to millions of members, helping them bank, borrow, and invest for their future. Because for most people, it's not about the lights or the fame. It's about their ambitions. SoFi, get your money right.
SoFi's business model is all about integrating technology, financial services, and community. By streamlining everything from loans to investments, they've created a digital-first platform that's changing the way people interact with their money. Whether you're looking to borrow, save, or invest, SoFi wants to be your all-in-one financial solution. So, what do you think? Could SoFi's business model be the future of finance? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insights into how today's most innovative companies operate. Until next time, happy saving and spending smart.